Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss when can you download TikTok again. So as for now, TikTok is available for downloading again in the United States of America. The application was removed from the App Store and Google Play Store in January 2025 due to law requiring its parent company to divest its US operations. However, following an executive order by President Donald Trump delaying the enforcement of this law, TikTok was restored to both app stores in the middle of February 2025. So now TikTok is available and you can download it again. So to do that, you need to open App Store on your device, go to search section that is located at the bottom side of the screen, and then at the top of the screen you see here searching bar, and here you want to type TikTok and press search button. Find here TikTok and press downloading button. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.